Today, I'm going to show you how to delete all your Gmail emails at once. If your inbox is overflowing and want a fresh start, this video is for you, so let's get right into it. First, open your web browser and go to gmail.com. Sign into your account if you aren't already logged in. Once you're in your inbox, look for the checkbox at the top left corner. Now click on it to select all the emails on the current page. Now here you can find the delete option. Click on it. Now as you can see, all the emails have been deleted from your inbox. Now to permanently delete it, go to trash. Again do the same step and click on delete forever. Remember, once you empty the trash, you cannot receive those emails, so make sure you really want to delete them. And that's it, you've successfully deleted all your Gmail emails at once.